Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine and safe at your home. So, students, what we were doing in our previous class. Let us start our today's class with the question which we have done in our previous class. There's a question related to that. I want you to answer that question. Let me show a question to you. Yes. You have to answer in true or false. Okay. If you want to remove the columns, click the column command and select one for the number of the columns. What do you think this statement is true or not? Like if you want to remove the columns, click the column command and select one for the number columns. I'm giving you a few seconds to think about it. You can think about it. Yes. If you are thinking it as true, then you are absolutely correct that if you have to remove the columns, you have to click the column command and select one of the number from the column. So if you have answered it, you are very right. So that's amazing. Let's start with this image. So students, what are you observing in this image? Like what you are observing? What you are inferring from this image? It is written, I am a hyperlink. What does the hyperlink actually means according to you? Let's think about it. There's a hint also given in it, like a hand is, it is like a cursor which is clicking on a blue color written text and it says that I am a hyperlink. It is actually, hyperlinks are the links with the help of which when we are clicking it, we are reaching to some other web page or some other folder. Okay, so we can say the next page. This is what we're gonna learn in today's class, that is hyperlink in MS Word, where in MS Word we use hyperlink. Okay, so this is what our today's topic is. Let me write the topic again for better understanding for you, that what we're gonna do today, that is today's topic is hyperlink in MS Word. We would be learning about the hyperlink in MS Word. Okay, so let us start with hyperlink. What does this hyperlink actually mean according to you? What do you think this hyperlink means? As I have mentioned that hyperlink is, I think the screen is blank in front of you. Okay, let me refresh it so that you can see it. Okay. So before explaining the hyperlink, let me share the learning outcomes for today's class. That is, after the completion of this lesson, you will be able to define the concept of hyperlink in MS Word. Then you would be identifying the use of hyperlink. Then you will be analyzing the steps of inserting hyperlinks in MS Word document, and you will be applying the concept of hyperlink in real life also. Then you would definitely be appreciating the use of hyperlink in real world. Okay, so what does the hyperlink means? Hyperlink is basically a word or phrase, we could say, or image as well, that if we are clicking on any word or phrase or on image, we are reaching to some other web page or some other document or folder or whatever the page or the web page we require to reach at that. That is what this hyperlink is used for. So hyperlink is found in nearly all web pages. Like if I give you example for the web pages, like you use social medias like facebook.com, google.com. You can see that on that page there are a lot of options available here. Let me show you here as well. Let me share my screen so that I can give you the example. Now you can see on my screen that Google is written here by default. Okay, now you can see that there are so many hyperlinks. Like if I'm clicking cursor, you can see the whole address is given https, and if I would be clicking on them, I would be reaching on that web pages, isn't it? So this is what the hyperlink is all about. If I'm clicking on Gmail, I am reaching to the Gmail account of mine. Okay, so this is what the hyperlink is all about. Okay, so let us continue with this only. Yes. So hyperlink, I believe you now have understood about the hyperlink. Now what you are inferring from this image? There are two images. What are you noticing from this image? Like I am a hyperlink. The first one is saying I am a hyperlink. What about the second? It is saying I am not a hyperlink. That means the text in black color is not a hyperlink. What does that mean? You might have seen sometimes when you are opening some link. Let me again share it with you. Before that, let me tell you, like if we are searching anything on Google, we are searching on that, and we are noticing that lot of columns are written here or rows are written here, but the first line of them is in blue color and the entire data is in black color, but the black portion is not able to click and reach to another web page, whereas the text in blue color is able to reach on that. Let me again share it with you. Like here's a Google, I would be finding like textbook for computer science. Okay. Now I just clicked on this link, but you can see that there are so many options are there. Now I was talking about this. You can see that the way they are showing here, I am a hyperlink, that is in blue color. This blue color is hyperlink. I'm clicking on it. Okay, I'm reaching to another web page. Now I'm clicking on the back arrow. Now what was the next image? I am not a hyperlink. This shows that it is in black color. So the black color portion is I'm not able to click, rather what I am watching, that if I'm double clicking on it, the entire text is selecting. That means it is not a hyperlink, but the simple text is written here, but I'm clicking on it, the hand is coming here the cursor is only there. Okay, so this is what the meaning of hyperlink is. Okay, so now let us move further. Why do we need hyperlink actually? What do you think, that why do we need hyperlink? Yes. What is the need of hyperlink? Do you use social media daily? You use that? If you are not using that, your parents might, your elder brothers might be using that. You can see that when you are clicking on any link, like let me tell you, for the website, if you use Instagram, Facebook, Google, or any web page website, you are clicking on it and you are reaching to another page. But if you want to if you don't want to go to another page, what you are observing is that a single page is enough for you, but you want to access to every option of that. Like on the social media, sometimes you feel like you should be posting pictures or you're posting the status. What you do is, in that case, you click the status bar and you click on the link and reach to the status option, then you click on the post option, you click to you reach on the another post, isn't it, another web page. So this is what the use of hyperlink is, reaching to the another web page or returning to the same page. Okay, so it is very essential. It is like a collection of the web pages, which are linked with each other. So it is really very relevant, important to have hyperlink. Okay, so here's a blank in front of you. I'm giving you rights to write here. Also, you can write on the comment box. You have to write the blank, which would what would be coming in this. Dash are the links to reach on another page. What are those? Yes, I'm giving you a few seconds to think about it. Dash are the links to reach on. Of course, hyperlink is the link with the help of which we can reach to web page. If you have answered hyperlink, so amazing, excellent, you have given the right answer. Okay, so where could we find this hyperlink? This is in context of MS Word. We have understood about the general meaning of hyperlink, what is hyperlink and why it is used for. And now we are working on MS Word. We are doing chapter of MS Word. What do you think where this hyperlink would be? Where this option or command would be there in hyperlink in MS Word? Any guesses? We have explored a lot of options in MS Word. What do you think that where this could be? Let us see where it is. This is the idea for icon, how this hyperlink look like. If you are having any version on your laptop and personal computer, so don't need to worry, you would be having this earth like structure which would be showing the hyperlink. Okay, so here's a question in front of you. There are two ways that you can insert a hyperlink in Word 2010. What do you think, it's true or false? There are two ways. So basically there are two ways only to insert the hyperlink. Okay, so if you have answered true, you are absolutely correct. So what are the steps? What could be the steps for hyperlink? First of all, definitely we know we would be going to start button, then we would be opening the new document file, MS document file. What else? Other than that, what could be the other option? If you might have opened your laptop or computer right now, you can see where this hyperlink is. Are you able to find that? Okay, I'm giving you a few seconds if you can find that. Otherwise, I would be showing here. Yes, in the title box, you have seen a lot of options. You can see, you can find there only somewhere. You can find that. You can, or you can pause the video and you can find and come back if you haven't received. So this is the idea where this hyperlink is and how we can use the hyperlink over here. Okay, here you can see that uh, first of all, we would be inserting the hyperlink. For hyperlink, definitely we need to have some other web page or the document which we would be selecting. After clicking on this, we can reach to that folder or document. For that, we need to give the address. Okay, so this is what hyperlink mean. When we would be clicking on option, that icon I shown you, hyperlink, you would be receiving these options like current folder, browse pages, recent files. After clicking on this, you would be receiving the options, various options which you want to give the link. Okay, yes. So read the question in front of you. The above pictures shown the hyperlink in the image. Do you think it is a hyperlink? Like AVS is written here. What do you think, it is a hyperlink or not? You can think about it or you can guess even. Yes. Yes, it is a hyperlink because it is blue in color and you can see the hand cursor is showing here. That means when we are keeping cursor on some link, it is showing a hand like cursor. Okay, that means it is a hyperlink. Also, it is showing the address of the web page, that is HTTP, with the help of which we can identify that it is reaching to some web page link. Okay. So let's go to a lab now. Let us see how we can find this. So yes, first of all, we would be going to start button. Then we know we have to open the MS Word. Let's maximize the size. Yes. Here, what do you think where we could find the hyperlink? We have used insert option, page layout, reference not yet, but mailings also we have done. Review is basically for watching what we are doing. View is also for same. And now let us see for the hyperlink. In the insert option, we would be finding hyperlink. Okay. So You can find hyperlink other options also, but you have to click all these options and find out, because there are a lot of versions coming on, and it could be quite tricky for you if your parents have installed the latest versions. So you can find where this option is available. Here I can see on Microsoft Word 2010, in that the hyperlink is looking like this in insert option. I'm clicking on it. You can see the same window which we were watching in the image, isn't it? So yes, now you can see that we are having the same image, that is current folder here, browse pages here, recent file is here. We are having several options. Now I would be clicking and I can see lot of different options are there. If browsed pages, that means these are the pages which I already opened on my laptop. Then recent files is the files which I just opened in, last 15 minutes, last day, or last week. Okay, the latest ones, the files which I opened. Current folder is just very current, which I am using just 5 to 10 minutes only. Okay, so this is how you can give link to any page. Like I'm randomly clicking on some link which I opened. Now I'm opening this. Can you see that it has been changed into hyperlink? Yes. Now I'm keeping cursor on it. You can find the information, all the path which you can see from it, that it is file, then C, users. C is the folder, main folder where this file has been gone. Let me show where this C option is. Here here you can see that, yes, this C option is here, and inside it, these are the options. Where are those options? Let me see. Yes. So after that, you can see that in users, then there's another folder, new, then desktop, then NCR tables, then here this page is blank. Okay. So this is what how we can apply hyperlink on a page, and keeping cursor, it would show the entire path. So it has been converted into hyperlink. Now we know that in case of hyperlink, the line is underlined and it is converted into blue color. Okay. So this is how we can convert the links into hyperlink. Okay. So let us recall. Now, if you want to save this document, you can save it by clicking it. Otherwise, you can click on don't save and shift it. So now let us conclude what we have done in today's class. That is hyperlinks. First of all, we have understood about the hyperlinks. What are hyperlinks? Those are the links with the help of which, by clicking on them, we reach to some another web page. And after that, we have understood about the options which are available in hyperlink. Then what are the steps of adding hyperlink? Okay. Then here's a question in front of you. What do you mean by hyperlink? Now I have explained in my words, you have to explain in your words. Now you can pause the video, or I'm giving you a few seconds. You can write on your notebook as well and send the picture while clicking it, the answer you have written, and send it on my mail. I'll be checking it for you. Okay, that what you have received in this lesson. So the another question is, what are the steps to add hyperlink in MS Word 5? You would be again writing in your terms. Okay, so yes, you would be answering this question as well, and you can send it to me directly. Okay, so this is homework in front of you. You have to write down the uses of inserting hyperlink in according to you. What are the uses? Also, you can get information from internet or your elder brothers also and family. You can write in your words. Write down the steps to add hyperlink. Now you would be writing the steps for adding hyperlink. Also, there are two activities you have to solve the you have to do perform them. Like you have to write the paragraph, also save environment and attach the hyperlink of that page. Also, you have to draw the flowchart of writing the steps the way that it should be looking attractive. You have to give your 100% in your art and craft work, and you know prepare it properly. The way, the how much creativity you want to add, you can add, and write the steps for the same. Okay, so that's all for today's class, students. Thank you so much for giving the attention. Now you can leave. So thank you so much, students. Have a nice day. All of you. Have a good day.